Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Johnson. I'm a chemistry teacher slash tech coach, and I work out of the Media Center.
I'm just flying here. My name is Mr. Guise. I'm up in the Media Center, media specialist, tech coach. We also have Mr. Loesch, that guy, that is up here with us, and also Mrs. Hart. Now, if you have any issues, see her, and she'll tell you which one to come talk to. In the Media Center, we offer a lot of things, but our main focus is collaboration. So we want students to be able to come up here, work in groups. We have several different group spaces.
We've got podcasting rooms if you want to record some professional audio. We've got a distance learning room if you want to have a conference with somebody outside the school. We've got a green screen room for recording pretty cool videos like the one you're watching right now.
We also have a design lab where we can do 3D printing. We can also do nice glass caps, that's awesome.
Thanks, man.
3D printing. We also have a sticker maker, decal maker machine, and a large poster blotter.
Did you talk about the design lab?
That's what I just talked about.
All right, nice.
What else do we got? We're just flying.
I think that's it, man.
That's it.
So students can use the Media Center in lots of different ways. Like we said, it's a collaborative space. You can come down and work in a nice, quiet environment to get some stuff done. If you're in a class, that class can come down and use any of the tools we just talked about.
We also have a course that we're running out of the Media Center called World Ready Technology. If you want to check out more about World Ready Technology and the blogging, podcasting, photography, and artwork that you can produce in this class, go to www.hvspn.com. We hope to see you down in the Media Center.